Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to update your contact info in Instawork. So to update your contact information in the Instawork app, follow this step. So the first step, which is step 1, is to launch the app on your device and log into your account. Then step 2, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Then on step 4, select the account information. Then from there, tap edit, which is next to the contact details you wish to update, then, such as your phone number or your email address. So after making the necessary update, ensure you save the change to update your profile. So please note that changes to your email address may take up to 24 hours to take effective. So if you encounter any issues or you are unable to update your information, it's advisable to contact Instawork support through the app by tapping the help button and select the appropriate categories. Alternatively, you can email them at help@instawork.com for further assistance, and that's it.